Is the Pact Club Timer 3 a good option for you as a beginner shooter? Let's find out as we unravel the features of this bad boy so you can make a confident decision in your purchasing journey. But before we get started, if you're interested in picking this puppy up today, I'm going to have an Amazon link down for you in the description box that'll take you directly to this product. First off, let's talk features. The Pact Club Timer 3 is a compact yet powerful tool designed to help you improve shooting and accuracy speed. With its easy to use interface, even beginners can quickly get the hang of it. The timer allows you to cycle through your previous times so you can write them down if you wish. It also allows you to track your splits. I don't use this feature much, but it does have it if you were wondering. Now, by just looking at it, it doesn't appear to be super high quality, but whenever I took this out of the box, I was actually impressed. Now, it's not heavy, but the weight this sucker has certainly makes it worth the price. It's definitely durable, so I don't feel like I'm holding a cheap piece of garbage. Setting it up is stupid easy. Simply select your shooting mode and attach it to your belt, and you're ready to go, pal. There's two timer modes that you can select from, instant and delay. To select either one, simply hold both directional arrows at the bottom until it pops up. Make your selection and press the green go button. The beep on this timer is very loud, so you don't have to worry about not being able to hear it through your ear protection, regardless if they're electronic or not. I'll put tape over the speaker when I'm dry firing inside just to quiet it down a little. I've taken it to the range several times with the tape still on it, and I was still able to hear the beep even with non-electronic ear protection. That's pretty good. Compared to just mindlessly going through the motions, the Pact Club Timer 3 has definitely been a game changer for me. It's helped me identify areas for improvement and help push myself to new heights. I've been using this shot timer for a while and I really like it. I'm certainly not a professional shooter, but using this has certainly made me feel like one. But it's not just about the features, it's about the results. The Pact Club Timer 3 empowers you to hone your skills, build confidence, and ultimately become a better shooter. If you're new to the shooting scene or just exploring different options, the review of this timer is your gateway to enhancing your skills. So if you're ready to take your shooting skills to the next level, give the Pact Club Timer 3 a shot. If this video helped you and you're ready to go ahead and pick this bad boy up, I have a link for you down in the description box below. Thanks for watching this Range Rulerz video. My name is Parker, and I'll see you guys in the next one.